Hi, my name is Kevin LaPorte. I'm an attorney with the LaPorte Law Firm, and today I'll be covering a very important topic, attorney's fees in Social Security cases. So many of our clients, when they reach out, have a very reasonable question, which is, how much is this going to cost me, and what do you guys charge? And so today I'll be covering that and how contingency fees work in Social Security cases. So the initial consultation is always free. There's no upfront or out-of-pocket costs. So if for some reason you call our firm and we have a consultation with one of our attorneys and we don't go forward with representation, that consultation's free. You got some free legal advice, hopefully, and it was helpful, but there's no out-of-pocket cost to you. If we go forward with representation, the way our fees work is it's a contingency fee agreement. And so that means there's no fee unless you're approved for Social Security disability and you're owed back pay. And then if that happens, you're approved by Social Security and you're owed back pay, our fee would be 25% of your one-time lump sum back payment, but our fee is capped at $9,200. Our fee cannot be higher than $9,200, however, no matter how much you're owed. And then it's just a one-time fee. You keep all your ongoing monthly benefits afterwards, of course. So I'm just going to run through a couple hypotheticals. Hopefully this will help illustrate for our purposes. So let's say you apply for Social Security disability, you have an attorney, and you are owed $10,000 in back pay. I'm just making this up for the sake of the conversation. The attorney's fee in this situation would be $2,500. So that's 25% of $10,000. You would get the $7,500 remaining difference and 100% of your ongoing monthly benefits afterwards. Now, here's a second hypothetical. Hopefully this doesn't apply to your case, but let's say Social Security takes 5 years to make a favorable determination in your case, and you are owed $100,000. In that situation, the attorney's fee would be $9,200 because, again, it cannot be higher than that, no matter how much you are owed. And then, of course, you keep all your ongoing monthly benefits after that. And then a third illustrative example, and hopefully this doesn't apply to your case, but let's say you go through this whole system and for some reason you are denied by the ALJ and we're not able to get the appeals council to overturn that decision and you are not successful on your disability case. There would be no fees because you're not eligible for disability and there's no past due benefits owed to you. So again, our fees are contingent on a successful outcome. We take 25% of your past due benefit with the $9,200 cap, whichever amount is less. And then all of this is itemized to you. So because this is regulated by Social Security, they will send an award letter, which will spell out your lump sum past due benefit. It'll spell out the attorney's fee if you have an attorney and deduct that automatically. And then afterwards, of course, you'll get all your ongoing monthly benefits as well. Check out our website. We have a blog post and an entire section that discusses how our fees work. And if you have any questions, just give us a call. We're always happy to talk. Thanks for taking the time to listen to this video, and hopefully you have a better understanding about our fees and how that works.